Aboard a gleaming chariot drawn by 7 imposing white horses, Surya, the sun god, bathes the world in his glorious light. More than a mere deity, Surya is the very personification of life itself, a celestial light that illuminates not only the earth, but also the human soul. His story, filled with symbolism and meaning, echoes across the millennia, revealing the deep connection between the divine and the natural world. Get ready to discover the story of Surya, the sun god, and dive into a fascinating journey through Hindu mythology, culture, and spirituality. One of the best-known versions states that he is the son of Kashyapa, the wise progenitor of gods and men, and Aditi, the primordial goddess of infinity. This celestial lineage connects him to other important gods of the Hindu pantheon, such as Indra, the king of the gods, and Agni, the god of fire. Another fascinating version tells that Surya emerged from a primordial golden egg, a symbol of creation and cosmic power. This narrative emphasizes his self-existent nature and his connection with the universe itself. Regardless of the version, Surya's divine genealogy places him in a position of prominence in the Hindu pantheon, as a deity of unmatched power and influence. Surya is often portrayed as a god of radiant beauty, with golden skin and eyes that shine like the sun. In his hands, he holds a lotus, a symbol of purity and creation, and a solar disk, representing his power over time and the cycles of nature. His golden chariot, drawn by 7 white horses, is a powerful symbol of his daily journey across the sky. Each horse represents a day of the week and one of the 7 chakras, the energy centers in the human body. The chariot itself symbolizes the universe and cosmic order, while the wheels represent the cycle of time and the wheel of life. The rays of sunlight that emanate from Surya are symbols of knowledge, spiritual enlightenment, and the vital energy that sustains all creation. His golden radiance represents the wealth, prosperity, and abundance he bestows upon those who worship him. Surya plays a fundamental role in Hindu cosmology. He is the source of light, heat, and life, essential to the existence of all creatures on Earth. His golden rays nourish plants, allowing them to grow and bloom, and provide vital warmth to sustain all life. In agriculture, Surya is revered as the giver of fertility and abundance. His daily cycle of rising and setting sets the rhythm of the seasons and influences planting and harvest. Farmers rely on his light and warmth to ensure good crops and the prosperity of their communities. Moreover, Surya is the guardian of time and the cycles of nature. His daily journey across the sky marks the passage of time, and his yearly cycle determines the changing of the seasons. Surya maintains intricate relationships with other important gods of the Hindu pantheon. With Indra, the king of the gods, he shares a relationship of mutual respect, each recognizing the other's importance in maintaining cosmic order. Agni, the god of fire, is considered his friend and ally, and together they represent the duality of creation and destruction. Yama, the god of death, is Surya's brother. Together, they represent the cycles of life and death, birth and rebirth. Surya, with his light and warmth, nurtures life, while Yama, with his shadow, leads it into the next cycle. The importance of Surya is evident in the Vedas, the oldest sacred texts of Hinduism. He is mentioned in various hymns, where he is praised as the giver of life, the remover of darkness, and the spiritual guide. In the Revered, one of the 4 Vedas, he is described as the eye of the world, the soul of all that moves and does not move, and the one who sees everything. In the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, 2 of the greatest Hindu epics, Surya plays important roles in several stories. In the Mahabharata, he is the father of Karna, one of the main heroes of the story. In the Ramayana, he blesses King Dasharatha with sons, including Rama, the epic's protagonist. The worship of Surya is an ancient practice deeply rooted in Hindu culture. Various rituals, mantras, and festivals are dedicated to him, seeking his blessing and protection. One of the most common rituals is the sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, a sequence of yoga postures that pay homage to the sun god and seek to harmonize body and mind with solar energy. The festival of Chhath Puja, celebrated mainly in northern India, is one of the most important dedicated to Surya. For 4 days, devotees fast, offer prayers, and perform elaborate rituals in honor of the sun god, seeking his blessing for the health, prosperity, and happiness of the family. His golden light, which illuminates the world and the human soul, continues to inspire and guide devotees in their quest for truth, enlightenment, and connection with the divine. Whether through ancient rituals, sacred mantras, or the simple contemplation of the rising sun, the presence of Surya remains an inexhaustible source of strength, hope, and renewal for all who worship him.